Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Cosme Kenneth Parongaw. I am 21 years old. I live in Santo Niño, Magalang, Pampanga. My height is 5'5" while my weight is 64. I completed my senior high year 2021-2022 in Ayala High School. My strand is electrical installation and maintenance. I am now a third-year college student here in Pampanga State Agricultural University, taking from Bachelor of Science in Forestry. My hobby is playing basketball and singing. In my family, we are 5 members. I have 2 sisters and I am the eldest. My father's name is Reynaldo Cosme and my mother's name is Janet Cosme. My strength for pursuing my dreams is my parents, especially our Almighty God. My motto in life is, no matter how hardship you went through, don't easily give up, because God is with us and nothing is impossible with Him.